All AC parts work together to keep your home cool, but knowing the right way to maintain stuff like the condenser fan blade can save you from big headaches. So, when you're looking at replacing the condenser fan blade, first thing is to soak the bolts and screws with some rust buster or WD-40 before you try to take them off. This little trick makes loosening those rusty parts way easier and prevents you from stripping them. Next, always turn off the power to your AC unit before starting any work. Safety first, you know? Check the fan blade for cracks or warping, because a damaged blade won't spin right and can mess up your whole system. When you're putting the new blade on, make sure it's properly aligned and tightened just enough, not too loose or too tight. After installation, spin the fan by hand to make sure it moves smoothly without hitting anything. Keep an eye out for any debris buildup around the condenser fan because that can slow it down or cause damage over time. Lastly, schedule regular maintenance checks so you catch small issues before they turn into costly repairs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser fan blade replacement is not using rust buster or lubricant beforehand, which makes removal way harder and can damage bolts. Another common problem is forgetting to cut power to the AC unit, risking serious injury or damage. A third issue is not properly aligning or tightening the new blade, which leads to noisy operation or even motor damage. Fix these by soaking parts early, turning off power at the breaker, and double-checking blade fit before finishing up. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their way around AC repairs and other home projects. It also gives contractors a solid platform to connect with folks who need their skills, making the whole process smoother for everyone.